So I'm gonna teach you how did I make the Gabriella. This is a real diamond, guys. And here's the BFF bracelet. And my tito had it. I already want to borrow the bracelet. And here's the actual real one. What is inside should be there. My
Hey
tito.
Siri, kung Engineer Ryan na follow.
So never mind that one, guys. How to do the Gabriella? Just we need to open.
Chupapi. Kakit-kitak lang. Ha, kakit-kitak lang dito yung anak. Dito yung insenyo that time. When, di columns na lang ket DJ lang, DJ lang mismo insend ko. DJ
Let's
lang.
open the
Columns na. Oo. 6 meters no katanana.
Just open
When.
How to do the
DJ lang ang
Gabriella?
kagnay na yan ti columns si Onegen.
Sige lang.
One when. So, nagkenteng nga, haan na maanaan. DJ lang in between.
I want to teach you.
Sige.
When. Oh, thank you.
This is a phone. What's this? If you wanted output and a famous TikTok wanted my tita will make a TikTok account where you can do content creation. So if you want to wait for my TikTok account, so I'm gonna also wait for my tita. So go to part 2 so I can go to the makeup contest. So go my guys. Bye.